Hello, welcome to this video. Here we're looking at a question and osmosis. We're looking at the question says figure 1.1 shows red blood cells placed in different solutions. So you have cell A and cell B. Okay. So here we can see what is actually happening here. Let's look at cell A. So cell A went from this to this, okay, and cell B went from this to this. So all cells were just okay, but then after being placed in these solutions, one shrinked and the other one bursted open. State the type of solution in which each cell was placed. Alright, so the type of solution where cell A was placed, because it had to shrink, meaning that it lost water to the surrounding solution, this means that it was placed in a solution that is more concentrated, so water had to come out. Okay, so when you have a cell and water goes out of the cell, just know that the solution where the water is going is highly concentrated. Okay, it is highly concentrated. Okay, so it is highly concentrated, and there's a name that we use, okay, for a solution that has more solutes, okay, and we call this a hypertonic solution. All right, so hypertonic solution. Okay, then cell B, looking at cell B, it bursted. Okay, it bursted. So for cell B, having that it bursted, okay, meaning it received water. Okay, here we're looking at water. Okay, water is what is coming out. Okay, this is osmosis, so here water is coming in. Okay, now this means that the solution where this cell was placed has a low concentration. Okay, it has a low concentration. Okay, so it loses water. Okay, and there's a term we use here for a low concentrated solution. It's called the hypotonic solution. All right, so hypotonic solution. Okay, as easy as that. All right, then B says give an explanation for your answers. Okay, so here is the explanation that we are going to give. Okay, though I've already explained when explaining there. So cell A, explanation. So cell A, since we've already said it was placed in hypertonic solution, now what this simply means is that the explanation here we can give is that cell A, we can say water moved out of cell A, okay, via the process of osmosis. Okay, so water moved from its region of high concentration to its region of lower concentration. So just for the sake of understanding, you have this cell here, which is cell A. So okay, so when you talk about water, I'll just write H2O, water. In the cell A, it is the concentration of water is high. Okay, and in the surrounding solution, the concentration of water is low. So diffusion, which occurs, okay, osmosis is a diffusion process. Water moves from a region where it is highly concentrated to a region where it is low concentrated. Okay, when we talk about water. Okay, so this is what is happening. This is explanation here. Okay, explanation, cell A explanation, water moved out of the cell via the process of what? Osmosis to the surrounding solution. Okay, so those are the explanations there. Cell A explanation: water moves out of the cell to the surrounding hypertonic solution by osmosis. Okay, now this process here, what has happened here, it is called crenation. Okay, crenation. So the cell was crenated, it has shrinked, it's a red blood cell. And here what is happening in solution B, it is called hemolysis. I wrote it here, hemolysis. Okay, so I hope you've learned something in this video. I'll see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe, and also for those that would like to start their tuitions with us, my number is there on the YouTube channel. You can reach me out, then can include you in our respective groups. All right, so see you in our next video.